So this is the folder that you're going to get when you purchase the application. You see the desktop app, you click it and it installs. And when you install, you're going to see at the top right corner, connect to ChatGPT. If your codex is not connected, you're also going to get like a connect button for codex as well. So we're going to click connect to ChatGPT. It's going to open up a new browser, and then we're going to log in. And this is using OAuth. And then we're going to come back to the application. And then what you want to do is you want to go into settings and just do some configuration, such as enable always on when minimized so you can see the dock mode, and also link as many projects as you want. And when you're linking, you're actually going to the content folder of the project. And after you do that, you should also, if you want to, set auto approval. If you don't, then the approval pop-up will show up whenever you're editing an asset. So you can see here all the keys, API keys that you can add and make use of. And also I like using GPT 5.4 high. That's usually what I use, and it's the perfect model. I don't go higher than that. I don't go lower. And as you can see in the top, it shows you MCP red. So that's how you know the status of the MCP. So you can hit the launch button to launch the MCP, and also the left button where you can actually select as many projects to link. And then when you click select new project, you're actually selecting a workspace. So you either select an existing project folder or existing folder, or create a new folder. And you can have as many workspaces as you want. This allows you to actually be able to do as many tasks as you want at the same time. So we're gonna go through a simple prompt. And before we do that, we're actually gonna force the auto approval. So this is a simple prompt. We're gonna ask for the animation blueprints that exist in the project. And then when it gives us a list, you're gonna see that we're going to be able to also click any asset name or path, and we can open that asset directly in the project. And at the bottom, if you see how I gave it full access as well, so you can control how much access to give it. And also we have the fast mode that Codex supports, so that is also here as well. So you can enable the fast mode to make it, I think 2x faster. So here we are seeing the entire list of the animation blueprints that are in the project. So I clicked one and it's going to open it up. And on the sidebar, you can see all the folders that the agent can see. And if you use the @ symbol, you can actually directly reference asset. And then if you go into skills, you can see the full list of skills that the agent can use. And then material UIs storyboard, we're going to go into details. We're going to make a lot of videos. We're going to create some very interesting materials, and I'm going to show you how to use it in detail. We're going to create some very AAA like user interfaces. Here I'm showing you how to have multiple workspaces. You just go to a new codex thread and you can either select an existing folder or create a new folder, and you can have as many, and in that new workspace you can spin up another agent and be working on multiple tasks at the same time. So that is the intro, and in a couple new videos I'm gonna go into details on some of the amazing stuff you can do.